Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more videos on Python. So guys, in this video we are going to list all the files from a directory, and it is a very common requirement if you are working as a data scientist, data analytics, or data engineer for any organization. So they here you can see we have an example. So here in this directory you can see there are multiple files having multiple extensions, so we have to read these files. Okay, with the help of Python. So guys, we are using Jupyter notebook, and we are using one module, that is import os. Okay, os comes under Python's standard utility modules. This module provides a portable way of using operating systems dependent functionality. Okay, now I am going to create a variable directory path, and then we are going to paste our directory path, and then we are going to print this directory path. Then you can see this is the path of our directory. Now we want to list all the files from this directory, so I am going to use for loop for file in os. Then there is a function list dir. Then I am going to pass my directory path. Okay, and I'm going to print the file inside the directory. Then execute this. If you want to create a full file path, then you can use it. Then you can create another variable like os dot, there is a path, then there is a path, then join. Then we are going to pass directory path, then file. Okay, now I'm going to run this. Then you can see these are the full file path. So guys, you can see it is a very easy to list down all the files from a directory in Python. Okay, so guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and comments and share, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get a new notification for incoming videos.